Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today is teach you, grading by parallel and distance. Function make different size shoulder parallel. First you need to add, grading by parallel and distance tool, in toolbox. Click to point of back center with this tool. Click shoulder point, you can see, distance point, dialog table, input proper value, select proper option, then click OK. Click grain line, can click to point of back center. Click pointy, you can see, distance point, dialog table, check following first option, click OK. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.